Latin Dishes presents how to make roast chicken in the oven. Please subscribe, like, and share. These are the ingredients that you will need: Goya adobo, paprika, red wine vinegar, lemon, 1/3 cup of onions, 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a pack of Sazón Goya, 2 sticks pre-cut celery, 1/3 of butter, a bag of mixed vegetables, and 5-pound chicken. You start with the chicken, soaking it in water and red wine vinegar. Soak it for 30 minutes and then rinse. Now you're going to preheat the oven. Turn the knob to 325 degrees. Now we're going to set the chicken in a pan and add red wine vinegar. We're going to pour it all over the chicken and inside the chicken. And then we will turn it and do the same procedure. Now we will use lemon to put it all over the chicken. We will use the first one, and you will start squeezing and putting it on the body of the chicken. Make sure that you squeeze out as much as liquid as you can. Then we will use another one to put under the wings, on the side of the legs, on the neck, to make sure we cover every area. And also, once we turn it, we're gonna use the breast. Make sure you squeeze a lot of lemon on the breast, under the wing, also under the legs to cover. This will enhance the flavor when you add the other ingredients. Make sure that you put inside. That's very important too. Continue squeezing until you get all the liquids out. Now we will continue by adding adobo. We will sprinkle the adobo on the body, on the wing, under the wing, under the legs. Make sure that you sprinkle enough and then turn it around on the side and do the same, lifting up the wing, massaging it, and then on the back, make sure you add enough so it has a good taste when it cooks. Make sure that you put a lot of adobo inside the body of that chicken so that it can also have taste. Now we will add paprika. Sprinkle some paprika all over the body first, then turn it again and add more, and turn it again until you cover the whole chicken with paprika. Now we will use oregano. We're going to sprinkle oregano very lightly on the chicken. Make sure you do it on the legs, and as you turn it, continue pouring it on the body, on the legs, on the other side of the leg, the wings, until you finish. Now we will use Italian seasoning. We will do the same procedure again. Sprinkling on the body, on the legs, turn it around, put it on the back of the body, making sure you add all those herbs. Cover all the areas. Turn it around again, and then you put it inside the body of the chicken. Now we're going to use Sazón Goya envelope, and we're going now to sprinkle it on the body. Make sure you cover all the areas. Turn it, sprinkle it on the legs, on the wing, on the side of the body, then turn it around again, covering all the areas of the chicken. Lift up the wing and sprinkle more. And then last, put it inside the body of the chicken. Then massage it to make sure that you combine all those ingredients together to give it a good flavor. Do the same thing, turn it around again, continue rubbing it until you cover all the areas. Now we will get ready to do the vegetable stuffing. You will need 1 cube of chicken broiling, 2 tablespoons of celery, 1 bag of mixed vegetables, and 2 cups of water. We will also need a small medium-sized pot, and we will turn the knob to a number 4. Open up the lid, and the first thing we will put in is the water. Then we will use the chicken bouillon and put it inside the pot. Once you do that, then you cover it with the lid and let it come to a boil. We will then put the celery inside the vegetables and use a spoon, and we're going to mix it together. Now we will remove the lid of the pot, and we will add 2.5 tablespoons of butter. This will help when the butter melts in the water with the bouillon. It will give it a great taste to add with the vegetables. And then cover it. Now we're going to get ready to stuff the chicken with vegetables. First, we will take a spoonful of vegetables and put it inside the cavity of the chicken. Make sure you lift up the chicken a little bit so that you can pour all the vegetables inside. And as you continue pouring, make sure you just fill it up completely. And keep patting it down to continue adding more vegetables until it gets full. Once it gets full, then set back the chicken again on the pan, and then take the rest of the other vegetables and pour it all around in the tray. And continue doing that until you add all the vegetables in the pan. Now open the lid of the pot and check to see if the butter and the bouillon have melted. Use a spoon to stir it to check. Make sure that you continue doing that. Cover it and then check again. Once it starts to boil, then lower the temperature to a number 2. Open the lid and stir again to make sure that it's melted completely. Once it is done, Then we will proceed to add it on the chicken. Now you will use a spoon and take a little bit of broth and you will add it on the chicken. Then you're going to continue and adding it inside the cavity of the chicken. Do it gently, little by little, so you don't get burned. This will enhance the flavor as it's cooking. Continue adding inside the cavity of the body of the chicken. Gently. And then you will start adding it outside of the chicken and around in the tray for the vegetables that are outside in the tray. Continue pouring until it finishes. Now you will open the oven. You will place the tray inside the oven for 2.5 to 3 hours. After 2 hours, you will check up on the chicken and then raise the temperature to 350. Now you will check the chicken again, and wow, look how great it looks. And this is the finishing product. Look how amazing it looks. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.